3 number formatting tricks that you definitely need to know. Let's go! Number 1. Insert emoji. Select the cell, go to Format Cell and choose Custom. Then you have to write this text. Open the bar, color, 10, close the bar, 0%. And to open the emoji, you have to press Window semicolon. Choose one that you like, and the next step is to write the formula for negative percentage. As the result, basing on the positive or negative number, we have different type of emojis. Nice? Nice. Then comes second trick. Do you know how to add some text to the numbers? Because if you start to write it manually, you will get the error. In this case, select 2 columns, go to Format Cell and choose Custom 0.0, comma, comma, quotes, million, quotes. As the result, we have added the text, and if we change the number, the value will be correct. The third trick, last but not least, hide the text. Select the column, go to Format Cell and choose Custom. Here you have to type 3 times semicolon. As the result, the text will be hidden, but the values will be still there. Very important to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.